Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Got the injector in, Rock Auto. Got my magnet. I don't think I have that one. But yesterday or last night when I got home from work, I sort of pre-prepped the area for the injector change. There's the injector right there. Got to put my magnet up here somewhere. That's put it right there. Okay. All right, let me set you up here. Guess we should have a light going on too, huh? Oh, look at that. There we go. So, look at that. I even had the right wrench right away. How about that? You gotta take these coil packs out of the way. I'll take a look at them anyway. Looks pretty good. And I'll bet you that's not a 10. No, that's an 8. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so I did take the relay out and ran the fuel out. So I shouldn't have a lot of fuel coming out. I just want to sort of pry this side up, get that injector out, and then slip the other one in rather than take all 6 of them out. I'm trying to get this clip out that holds it in. Hey, I did it. We'll see what happens here. I think there's there's 2 bolts that hold the, yeah, there is. Come on now. Cooperate. I guess you don't want to. Guess you don't want to. That's what happens when you ain't got enough light, huh? I should blow all this stuff out, but I had this all cleaned up not too long ago. Okay, I only ran the air pressure long enough to get enough all right. Get rid of this hose. Okay. That's that. Little cafe on the bat tray. See what we got here. They're long ones. I know you're back there somewhere. Let me move you. I'll take this up out of here so I can see. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. Let's just loosen that one. See if we have enough room. Because we're just doing a little sneak in here. Just a little sneaking. Get the wire out of the way here. Oh yeah. I'll put my glove on. It's hurting my little finger. There it is. There's the gas too. Oh, right there. Now, let me take this glove off. stuff a rag down there and it'll stop dry. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. It'll stop dripping as soon as I put the rag in there. Everything's gonna be okay though. Usually is. Even though I worry too much, but anyway, I just got some dielectric grease. I like to use dielectric grease. It's a silicone base. So just a little dab will do you. You probably can't even see me, but anyway, I put a little dab on there. We're ready to go. We'll be injecting in no time. All right, so how did I get that one out of there? Okay, we're gonna go down in there this way. Oh yeah. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. All right. That sort of fell into place. Oh, we're doing all right. Get you up here, and maybe you can have a better view while I lean over the front of the truck here. Uh-oh. Dumping fuel. Dumping fuel. Alright. Now, what do you think my chances are of getting that clip in there real easily, huh? Let me make sure that the back one is in. Yep, they're all down in where they belong. I don't know what I did with my bolt. There it is. Okay, that's in. Let's start it. The clip. Oh, I think I had it upside down. Oh, I didn't have it. Okay. All right, because I'm up too high. Too high, not two hacks. All right. Here we go. We're in. In like Flynn. Let me make sure that back one is in right. Yep. Let's see that. They're all just popping up out of there, aren't they? Yeah, okay. I think it's the lube I have on there. Plus I had all that stuff cleaned out when I had this engine apart. Not used to that clean stuff. We'll see what happens once we fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. Put a little schmutz in here too, I guess. Sure ain't gonna hurt it. Come on now. You come out of there. Why can't you go in? There it is. Alrighty then. Allah. I won't bore you with all the putting the air filter and stuff back on. This was supposed to be my first YouTube video, changing this engine. I filmed a little bit of it and forgot all about it, and never got any more. So I apologize. I don't even have any good footage of doing it. This engine here, I had to put a crankshaft, 3 rods and a set of pistons in it. Go underneath here. Just because that's where everything else is. Okay. Now we're ready to start it. Well, not quite. I gotta put the fuel pump relay in, and then we'll check for leaks. Okay. Well, pow! Let's see if we can prime the pump. Clickety clack. Don't talk back. Alright, ran a couple cycles there, pump. Everything looking pretty good. Pretty good down in there. Let's fire it up. Clickety clack, don't talk back. Some mood. All right, man. All right. All right, just finishing up everything here. Just gotta tighten that clamp. Check this one. Clamps are all good. Get rid of all this stuff here. Take a quick peek in here. Everything looks okay. Good. Ready for a test drive. Oh, the only other thing I want to do. We gotta turn the key on. Link error. Link error. Waiting to communicate. I like this one because I can go in there and I can read some data. I can watch the O2 sensors operating. So we're going to go down to, we want to read codes. Let's enter, yeah, there's had a misfire code. Number 2 cylinder misfire code. Number 1 injector circuit, that's because I was testing on that side. Check a good one. There's number 2, the one we had. That was the original. Intake air temperature, I just had that unplugged. 202 injector circuit again. And the intake air, that's because it was unplugged twice. So there we go. Let's go back. and we'll go down to erase codes. Erase codes. Yes. Hey, command sent. Codes remaining 0. Good to go. So then all you gotta do is unplug it. I'm gonna leave it in the Jeep in case I go for a ride and check engine light pops back up. So anyway, that's the injector change. Ain't too bad. I snuck it in there. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. And remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.